Hey guys, it's Jonathan with Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me, we have a 1963 Ford Galaxie, drop top, power top, air conditioned. Be sure to like and subscribe below so we can give you more content just like this. Back to the vehicle at hand. It's painted in Ragoon red. It's only had 2 paint jobs in its whole life. The last paint job was done in the 80s and it shows very, very well. As you can see, the paint is extremely nice. It was painted in the 80s. That's the second paint job in its whole entire life. 3 owners since new. The last owner was a close friend of ours. We were able to purchase it from him. And what we've been told is the actual mileage, 11,000 miles, is original. The title states exempt, but when you look at the car and all the pieces and the original interior, that really makes you think twice about, okay, it could be 11,000 miles. All the bright work and chrome is in excellent shape. What we're gonna do is we're gonna look at the front end right now. All the chrome looks good. You can see that the grille is in excellent shape. You've got your Ford emblem right here that's nice and clean. And then what I love about these is, that's how you release your hood, and then you've got a little one here. So it's powered by a 352. It does have a vintage air setup, new coils, spark plugs and wires right here. Radiator holds pressure, doesn't leak. Brand new big Napa 860 cranking amp battery. And then as you back up and look at everything, look at how clean and original it is. There's no rust on any part of the hood right here, and all the latches are in original and excellent shape. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. We're gonna take a nice side shot so you can see how straight the body is. Look at how nice the trim looks. Trim is, there's minor imperfections, but overall, I'd say it's an 8 out of 10. Paint job is a 7 out of 10 easily. You've got your spoked wheels right here that look really nice. You have that nice white wall right here, 8x14s. The Galaxie emblems are in excellent condition. You've got your mirror up here, and then look at all the bright work on the glass. It's in perfect shape. There's no pitting. You also have the deluxe padded sun visors and padded dash, and that was for protection in case you hit it. We're gonna keep on running down the side here, and you can see that all the gaps are even, opening up the door for you, and you'll see that when they painted it that second time, they had the decency to take everything apart before putting it back together. You can see that the interior is in excellent shape and original. Door cards are original as well. Dash looks great. It also has the AM FM radio. That's the first year that they came out with that. It has a reverb setup, so there's a little switch. You can see the vintage air setup right there that she was just looking at. Listen to the door close. Solid. Rear quarter looks great. Beautiful pieces right here. And then your chrome on the rear bumper is in excellent condition. My favorite part about these cars is the rear end and the taillights. Why don't you take a look at how nice that taillight is? It's just beautiful, the rings and the design quality. And then you've got this beautiful piece back here, and this is where your gas is gonna be. That's where you fill it up. You get your little rubber bumperettes, dual exhaust, stainless steel tips, which you can see right there. And then when you look at the passenger side, look at how solid and straight it is. So I'd take a camera shot from right here, and it's really gonna give you that perspective with the sun hitting it. It's just beautiful. I'm gonna open up the doors, and while you're walking towards it, take note of the Fender Skirts. That's an option as well. Extremely clean, same thing. A little bit of the foil is coming off here on the original door card, but that's to be expected. And then when you look in here, look at how original that is. Let me go ahead and get the keys. So this has the original window sticker, which I'll include with the purchase. And then it's a 3-owner car with title documentation, along with miscellaneous documents for Galaxies. Opening up the trunk right now. I'm shaking it. You can see that there's no rust. Look at how solid that is. You've got your top right here for the power convertible top. When you move it, and then there's no rust under here. Nice and solid. It's all original. Spare tire and jack. You've got the original sticker here for your spare tire and jack, which is pretty neat. And then there's your radio set up right there. That's for the FM radio, I believe. Yeah, that is crazy. What I'm gonna do right now is push the button so you can see the top go up. So I'd stand back a little bit. Look at how fast it goes. Pretty cool. Top is pretty new. Looks like it's within the last 7 years. Does have that plastic in the rear. And then look at all the button ears, how nice they are. What I'll do is I'll drop it, and I think we're gonna turn the camera over to Kelly so she can go for a test drive. Oh, I didn't mention the glass. All the glass is in excellent condition. They all go up easily, and all the rubber, if you look down there, all the rubber is really nice. Let me put that glass up for you. And then you have your little vent window and the rear. This one has a sticker on it for the neighborhood from the prior owner, which we'll remove. Just really cool. Let's start it up real quick, and then we'll go for a ride. Look at the key. How neat is that? Let me jump in here. Starts right up. Nice and quiet. Let me get back there so you can hear it. No smoke or hesitation. Let me turn the camera over to Kelly here. Clean. Let's show the wipers working, so let's pull that knob. Or twist it, I'm sorry. Put it back in place. Let's show the lighter as well. That's that one. Pull it out. Okay. And then let's show the air condition working. So that's how you turn on your air, and that's how you control your temperature. There's your AM/FM radio with your reverb right there for the speakers. Then you have a clock that doesn't operate, and your glove box right here. A little charger and some miscellaneous documents.
Let's go. It's driving good.
You going? How fast are you going?
35.
You can go a little faster.
She's driving great. It's a nice day, beautiful day to be in a convertible.
All right. How do the brakes feel?
Good.
Show the radio working. Obviously got to tune it.
Which way do you want me to go? It's a smooth ride.
How would you rate it compared to drive? What do you drive every day?
A Jeep Grand Cherokee.
So how does this compare to a Jeep Grand Cherokee?
It's very different.
But you're not having to really force the brakes, right?
Not at all, no.
Okay.
It's very different, but it's a nice day to be in a car like this.
Yeah, it's like, what's the temperature today?
In the mid-70s.
I hope you guys like the test drive with Kelly and I. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions about this car at hand, give us a call at 954-363-2261. Have a great day, and hope to see you again.